Understanding the reproductive biology of aquatic organisms can help in the development of more efficient and sustainable aquaculture practices. Environmental impact. Aquaculture production can have both positive and negative impacts on the environment. Aquaculture operations can lead to the depletion of wild fish stocks, pollution of water bodies, and the introduction of invasive species. Sustainable aquaculture practices can help minimize these negative impacts and promote the conservation of aquatic ecosystems. By understanding these biological processes and following best practices in aquaculture production, the aquaculture industry can produce high-quality, safe products for consumers. This can help promote sustainability and protect public health. Sustainable aquaculture practices can also help promote economic development and food security in many parts of the world. Waste management. Waste management is an important factor in aquaculture production. Aquatic organisms produce waste products such as ammonia, which can build up in the water and impact water quality. Waste management practices can involve the use of filtration systems, water exchange, and the use of natural treatment systems such as wetlands. Biosecurity. Biosecurity is an important factor in aquaculture production. Diseases and parasites can be introduced into aquaculture operations through contaminated water, equipment, and personnel. Biosecurity practices can involve the use of quarantine procedures, sanitation, and disinfection protocols to prevent the introduction and spread of diseases. Harvesting and processing. Harvesting and processing are critical steps in aquaculture production. Harvesting methods can impact the yield and quality of the product, while processing methods can impact the shelf life and safety of the product. Sustainable harvesting and processing practices can help promote the economic viability and environmental sustainability of aquaculture operations. Aquaponics. Aquaponics is a sustainable aquaculture practice that combines fish farming with plant cultivation. In aquaponics systems, fish waste products are used as a nutrient source for plant growth, while the plants help filter and purify the water for the fish. Aquaponics systems can help reduce the environmental impacts of aquaculture production and promote resource efficiency. Aquatic ecosystem management. Aquatic ecosystem management is an important factor in aquaculture production. Aquaculture operations can impact the health and productivity of aquatic ecosystems. And sustainable aquaculture practices should take into account the ecological and social impacts of these operations. Aquatic ecosystem management practices can involve the use of habitat restoration, conservation, and sustainable use of aquatic resources. By understanding and implementing these biological processes and sustainable practices, the aquaculture industry can produce high-quality, safe products for consumers while promoting environmental sustainability and economic development. Water circulation. Water circulation is a critical factor in aquaculture production. Aquatic organisms require clean and oxygenated water for growth and survival. Water circulation can help ensure that the water quality is maintained at appropriate levels for the aquatic organisms. In addition, water circulation can help to distribute nutrients and oxygen throughout the water column, which can enhance the growth and health of the aquatic organisms. Photoperiod. Photoperiod refers to the duration of light exposure that aquatic organisms receive each day. Photoperiod can affect the behavior, growth, and reproduction of aquatic organisms. In some cases, manipulating photoperiod can be used to enhance growth or reproduction of the aquatic organisms.